Hi guys, so today I'm gonna teach you how to delete YouTube recommendation and watch history, because maybe you are getting a lot of recommendation that you don't necessarily want to because you watched a video or someone used your phone and watched a video, or maybe you just want to delete your watch history. So in order to do that, first thing you click on the top right corner on your account icon on your photo, and then you have to search for your data on YouTube. So you will have a lot of options and select your data on YouTube. Okay, after that, actually YouTube will take you to where all your data is stored. So you will see your playlist. If you click on your playlist, you can delete. You will see your subscriptions, you can delete as well, or you can delete your comments. But for the purpose of this video, let's scroll down and then you will see watch history. And as you can notice, you can actually disable watch history if you want to, but I mean, it's okay. It's always good when you have your watch history. Maybe you want to rewatch a video. But to delete your watch history, scroll down again, and then you can click manage your YouTube history. So you just click, and then you will have the option actually to turn off watch history, or if you go down you can actually delete anything you wanted you watch and you don't want anymore. For example, let's say if I click this and then it will delete. But if you want to delete all your watch history, you click here delete and then delete all time. Okay, after that it will take you to a prompt so that you are sure that you want to do that. Just click delete and then your data is completely deleted. Okay, so before I go, if I click again here, oh, it actually took me to my Google account. So I'll go back to YouTube just really quick, because you can actually delete as well your search history. The same process, click on your profile, and if you go down your data on YouTube, scroll down, and then you can also delete your search. In that case, my search history are not being recorded as I set it. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you like, please click the like button below, and as always, thank you so much.